and let's talk about simple things and super simple exercise for mostly for big ones, for big adventure bikes, or yeah, maybe for some enduro also. I seen pretty often when people stuck in some kind of like this spots or yeah, situations where we can't go farther, and yeah, we need to pull back our bike, but we have some kind of bump or rut or something behind us, and it's really hard to pull your bike back in this kind of situation, because our bike is quite heavy, and yeah, just pull it like that, it's not so easy, even with my with my size. Yeah, I'm quite tall, and yeah, quite heavy also, and for me it's also pretty hard to get out from here, just pull it back. That's why for this kind of situations we have super simple exercise, we have super simple solution for these kind of situations to get our bike back, to be able, yeah, go farther. We need to learn how to use our front brake and our front suspension. Using our front fork and front brake, we can easily get out our bike from this situation. We just need create some momentum, squeeze our front fork, and yeah, in right momentum, release our front brake and catch it again. And it's looked like that. We push our front brake, we squeeze our front fork, and when it's bounced back, we release our front brake, let our bike roll back a little bit, and immediately catch back our front brake. And it looks like that. Pull front fork, release front brake, our bike roll a little bit back, and catch front brake again. And basically, without big muscles and stuff like that, we can easily roll back our bike. If you are taller guy, then you can do the same sitting on the bike. I can do it even with one hand. Help a little bit with my ass. Next exercise, that is for our clutch control. In that case, we can use some obstacle in front of us. We can roll on some kind of bump or log, or I don't know, wall or even tree. Yeah, we can make this exercise basically anywhere. We need to be calm with throttle to prevent spin our rear tire, and also to be precise with clutch. Further, we can add front brake also. When we roll up, we push our clutch and also push the front brake to make some momentum on front fork also. You can even stand aside of motorcycle and do the same exercise. using this method, we can easily turn around our bike in some tight space, tight situation. When that exercise with some bump in front of us goes easy, we can do some little bit harder exercise. We can change some bump in front of us to some log or some stairs or something like that, with with sharper edge or something like that. Yeah, in that kind of case, it's a little bit harder to do this exercise because we need to be a little bit more precise with clutch and front brake. It's harder because we won't roll on this log and brake when we are on the top of the log. So our front wheel stays in top of the log, so we don't roll over. We need stop here and roll it back, and again roll on that log, stop and roll back. The same, we can stand aside of the bike and we can sit on the bike also. Create some momentum and roll it back. Stop and roll it back. Stop and roll it back. Almost. And the same when we sit on the bike. This super simple exercise can help you to be a little bit more confident on difficult situations and feel your clutch, front brake and throttle much better. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel and see you next time. Bye.